Okay, I'm officially losing my mind. It's like you're pushing through the grind. You almost don't stop to take it in because it's just insane thing after insane thing. My gosh. And look at that. See those cairns? I always want to say cairns. Cairns going down, baby. That means I get to climb all this, which I'm down for. I say now. Oh my gosh. Eek. Oof, maroon. Hey, bear. Man, nature's cool as hell. And good on the people that find this stuff and path it out. That's amazing too. That left knee is giving out. Luckily, it's only got to do like another 30 miles in the next 3 days. I keep thinking of that Portlandia skit where Fred gets early onset grumpiness disease. So I'm pretty sure I have it. Be in these phenomenal places and negative stuff still comes out of my mouth sometimes. Hey, bear. Colors. I'm hitting the stage though where I do keep thinking, how am I gonna come back up this tomorrow? My legs are already so shot. And then from Boulder to another 10 miles feels insane. And I keep thinking of this hiking adage or colloquialism or whatever it is. You gotta want it. These places aren't gonna just come to you. You gotta want it. You want it bad enough, you'll get there. And after tonight, I'm going to want, that's pretty, to return to my car and get a shower so bad. I'm pretty sure I can make the last 2 nights. All right, we'll let this video go to 10, I guess. This will be a little easier with 2 hands on trekking poles. Oh, it's ominous. I was fooled by the sun on my back. Hey, bear. That's out of this world. I actually see a trail way down there. If that's my campsite, I might cry. This looks pretty insane to come out of. I'm gonna say that 100 times too, apparently. It's fresh on my mind. Good news is I don't really need to bring water. There's a ton of sources. This is just nuts. All right, that's 10 minutes.